Hello, so I'm back for some supplementary tutorials on the importing exporting for Super Mario 64 PC. First off, I will quickly show you about the transparency switch characters that turn transparent, so characters like Boo, Peach, or Bowser. So in this one, in the case of, here's my Boo, what you'll need to do is you'll need to select your armature, set it to pose mode, and then find the bone over here that has a switch. So in this case, it's the switch bone. Basically, you need to, I'll delete this for now, remove option. So it should start off blank like this. You want to add a switch, go to the switch option, change it to draw layer override, set the draw layer to transparent. So now the game will recognize that this character can turn transparent. Basically, the transparent bone should be somewhere down near the root bone of the character. It should, I believe, apply to everyone. It's worked for Peach, Bowser, and Boo in my case. So that's that one. Next up, I'll show you material overrides. This is useful for characters that have like a blink animation or something. So Goomba blinks, Peach has eye states, so does Bowser, and so forth. Basically, what you'll need to do is, similar to the Boo one, is select the armature and go to pose mode, and cycle through and find the switch bone. It can be useful to go to wireframe mode to find one you're after. Here we are, there's the switch. So this one's starting fresh, so I want to add a switch, and I want to open the options and go mesh, change it to material. Okay, over here, so for now, you can see in, the Goomba's properties, he's got his face and his body textures. What we'll want to do is we'll need to add a new fast material and change that to shaded texture. Find the texture you need for said blink. That's there. And now we need to go back to the armature, pose mode, find that switch bone, which should already in theory be selected. And we need to change the material to the one that you want it to change into. In this case, the blink. I might go back and rename that, but whatever. And down here, you want to set material override to specific, add the material, and you want to add the original material. So in this case, the Goomba's face. So all this means is that it'll change face material into the blink material whenever the animation tells it to. Do note that some characters need more switch options here. Mario's got like a half shut or half eye shut, full closed, death state. Peach has got the same. Bowser's got looking left and right as well. So you basically just need to have as many switches as you need, and they do need to be in the right order. You'll have to experiment for that one to find the stuff that works right for the character you are using. So that should basically be it. So the final supplementary bit is exporting out Bowser. You will find, if you don't know what you're doing, there will be a problem because there's something a little bit in the actual geo file that you need to fix before it will import correctly. So here's Bowser. Like usual, select your armature and export him out like normal. So I'm going to quickly do that. What you need to do now after the export is open up your Decomp folder, head to Actors, Bowser, open up the geo file that you just generated. So you want to scroll down to the bottom to this last chunk here. It's called Geo Layout Bowser Geo. What you're going to have to do is copy this entire part from top to the curly bracket, copy it, paste it underneath, then go up, rename the one that you pasted to Bowser 2 Geo. So now you have Bowser 2 Geo, just above it Bowser, regular Bowser Geo. Now you can save that one out and it should compile just right when you build the game. That's all my supplementary stuff today, and yeah, have a good day.